In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually replace an auto-applied Uber Eats promo code and verify whether it matches your order. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to ubereats.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in and that your current order is already in progress. The goal here is to review the discount being used on your cart and then manually test a different code variant if needed. This can be helpful when a promotion is automatically applied, but you want to confirm whether it's actually the correct one for your order. Next, open your shopping cart window so you can inspect the subtotal line carefully. This area is important because it gives you a clearer picture of how your order is being calculated before taxes, fees, and delivery charges are added. When you're checking promotions, the subtotal is often one of the key values used to determine whether a discount should apply, so take a moment to read it closely. After that, verify that your chosen restaurant matches all current promotion terms. This part matters more than many people realize. Some offers only work with specific restaurants, certain order minimums, or limited categories such as delivery only or pickup only. Before changing anything, confirm that your restaurant and order details fully qualify under the promotion's conditions. If something doesn't match, the code may fail even if it looks correct. Once you've confirmed the order is eligible, remove the auto-applied code by clicking Clear. This resets the coupon field and prevents the existing promotion from interfering with the code you want to test manually. Make sure the previous discount is fully removed before moving on. If the page takes a moment to refresh, let it finish updating so you can work from a clean state. Now type the code variant string manually into the coupon area and click Apply. Enter it carefully, exactly as intended, because even a small typo can cause the system to reject it. After you apply the code, watch the cart closely to see whether the discount is accepted and whether the subtotal or savings section updates correctly. If the code applies successfully, you should see the promotion reflected in the cart summary.